Good, beautiful morning, heathens. Blake here, your host today. In today's episode, we're gonna shop local. Yuck. So, let's go head over to Wisconsin and get some tires put on and go check out Royce's Auto Body. Honest with you guys, I'm terrified. There's a dusting snow on the road. Let's just make it there without putting it into a telephone pole or the Mississippi River. We made it here safely to Royce's Auto in beautiful Bridgeport, Prairie du Chien, Wisconsin. He does collision repair, body work, tires, and oil changes, all kinds of great stuff right across from the airport off Highway 18. When you see the Royce's Auto sign, whichever direction, if you're heading north or south, hang a left or a right and get your body work and repair done here. And tell him Bad Tree sent you. He'll know who you're talking about. All right, let's go inside.
Well, it's pretty short cars, so.
Yeah, we're here with Brad, the owner of Royce's Auto.
We got some tires for Blake today.
Yeah.
He had me order some for his Neon, and later on, I think we're doing some for the Aspen, aren't we?
Yes, later,
okay.
Like next week or something like that.
Yeah, next week, sometime later on.
Yep, no problem. Check these out. They have all the tread compared to what's on the car, which you're probably going to puke once you see them. But here's the size, brand, all the yada yada yada, tire wear. So there, for the nerds, there's your numbers.
Yep. If you know what they all mean.
Right. So, not only do you just do tires, but you're a full collision repair shop.
Yep, we are a full collision repair shop. We have a full service department. We also offer spray and bed liners, and we do used car sales, all in the same location. So
it's kind of your one-stop shop across from the airport.
Yep.
When are you going to start working on airplanes?
I have.
Oh, geez. And this is your spray and bed liner corner over here, I imagine.
Yep.
Right?
As you can see, the walls are painted with spray and bed liner. As you can see, I've been doing a lot of tires right now, that time of year.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right. Well, we'll try to manage to get the low-life car in here and get some tires swapped out. The car was going to be wide enough.
Oh, we had some pretty narrow cars.
Yeah.
Sitting on the ground with 2 tire bars.
Tighter than a G string on an Iowa Port Queen.
Alright, now look at the ugliness. What do we got?
I've seen worse.
Yeah, the actual bead looks alright. Just a little bit of flaking back in there. That actually don't look bad either.
No. Directional.
Pretty sure they are inside.
What's that? Some slickum?
Yep, a little bit of tire lube. Tire lube mixed with water. That way you can go outside and have ice cubes on your rims.
Mmm. The third arm.
Yes. Yes. Never do these tires without one of these.
Loud. Got you guys what?
Just odd seeing a car this old with 18-inch wheels on it.
Mm-hmm.
The rim don't even look bent. Surprising.
The factory SRT4 would have came with 17s. The ACRs would have came with 16 BBS wheels, which are like hen's teeth.
Yeah.
Because you could only get them on the car or buy them through the dealership. You couldn't get them through BBS. What numbers are you looking for?
There's numbers that pop up here. We want to get it to 0. These are half-ounce weights. Should have some quarter-ounce weights right here.
One way than the other way. Nice.
Got it! Finally!
One down.
One down, way too many more to go. That one's done. Done and ready for the neon.
And there we have it. 4 new Mr. Feelgoods all the way around here. Not feeling too good in winter weather probably, but when it's dry out.
They're way better than these in the winter weather.
Yeah. So everybody down in the comments, let Brad know he's a legend. And shop local small business. Support your local small business.
Yes.
Stop going to Tire Rack. Go to Brad.
Yes.
Here at Royce's Auto, across from the airport. And we'll probably be back here in a couple days with the Aspen. Now I gotta run back to Iowa and get some food. I'm starving.